What's up, everyone? This is the newest van from the factory floor, shipping out today. G3 electric camper van, 275 miles of range, built on the GM Chevy BrightDrop platform. I'm gonna give you a quick tour today. Check it out. Come inside. First thing you'll see is this seat. So grounded replaces the jump seat. The jump seat comes from the GM factory. We replace it with this much more comfortable seat. You can see the doors on the side are sliding. This is nice from a clearance perspective. There are doors that are opening like that. You have tons of storage space up here in front of the seat. Huge cubby here. Electrical outlets powered by the vehicle battery. Up here we've got the kind of the dual screen. This has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It also has Google Maps built in. It has all your modern safety features, blind spot assist, 360 bird's eye camera. Super easy to back out, super easy to drive this vehicle. Coming in the rear, we have our partition door here. And further inside, you can see right off the bat, we have the shower here. Super spacious, comfortable RV shower. I'm about 5'10". I can stand very comfortably in here. Nozzle comes off, super easy to use. Shower door slides like this. On the other side, we've got a closet here with a rod, you can see right there. And below it, we've got tons of storage space. We have soft closed drawers with magnet latches. Right here, we have our 2-burner electric induction stove. This is obviously a full electric interior in addition to being an electric vehicle. So no gas-powered cooking or heating inside. We have the Dometic refrigerator and freezer. Here we have our very nice kind of premium sink with the cutting board that goes on top. We have our windows that pop out, which is a really nice feature. In addition to that, you've got blackout shades as well as bug screens. That's on all 5 windows back here. Again, more soft closed drawers with magnetic latches. Then in this back half, you can see electrical outlets everywhere, so very convenient. Obviously, this turns into a bed. You just pull these like this, and they latch right on here to this metal bracket. And then you've got this table that spins. Super easy to use for, depending on how you want to use it, how many people you have, things like that. The flexibility is super nice, and it also comes off for when you are sleeping, and converting this into a bed. And I'll show you the grounded app. So we have a mobile app that lets you remotely monitor and control everything. Nick's gonna type in the password real quick. So the grounded app lets you do this from anywhere in the world. You can see your battery level, water tank levels, all your different lights, appliances. They have dimmers on them. Each appliance you can turn on and off from the app. You can see how much power it's consuming. You can change your inverter settings. You can see how much solar power is being generated. You can manage your Starlink subscription, and then also see vehicle DTC codes on the vehicle itself, GPS data, and EV battery on the high voltage battery as well. And all of this is doable from anywhere in the world. We have LTE cellular connected to the onboard computer, which is what allows you to do that from anywhere. It also has Bluetooth if you are next to the vehicle, and then we have Starlink on the roof for high-speed internet no matter where you are, which even if you're in a place with no cellular, it can fall back to the Starlink for control. And then we've got this rear door here. The door itself is 2 inches of foam insulation, so much better than the garage-style door that comes on the vehicle from the GM factory. And the door has a window in it, which is really nice, as well as this lock here. If we come around, you can see an exterior outlet on the side here, and we'll go around to the other side. You can see the GM charge port. So this is how you will charge your EV battery. It's a CCS charger, so this does level 1, 2, and 3 DC fast charging, as well as level 1 or 2 in your home. And it can also plug in at Tesla superchargers, because Tesla has opened up their superchargers for compatibility with third-party automakers. So you can basically charge this vehicle at any place you can charge any electric vehicle. Here we've got our water hookups. We've got the lock on the freshwater fill, so nobody can put any nonsense in your freshwater tank. And then here's the city fill. So if you're parked somewhere for a long period of time and you want to bypass the tank, you go into the city fill, straight to the sink and the shower. Another electrical outlet, and then our shore power hookup for charging the house battery. So the house battery charges from 1,000 watts of solar on the roof. You can charge it from your shore power overnight or while you're plugged in. And then you can also charge the house battery from the vehicle battery. So you can pull power from the GM high voltage battery to the grounded lithium 48 volt house battery. On the inside, that's a button that's configurable in the Grounded app. You can choose when to do that and when not to. All our vehicles also come with optional awnings if that's something you want to add. And all of our vehicles are modular, so when you are building yours, you can choose what you want and where you want it to go. Thanks for watching.